Hello guys, welcome to GD Live at Pal. Today we're gonna do about like GD math practice together. Okay, so the first question is solve 10 minus 5 in the bracket 10 minus 5 plus 4 times 11. According to of the order of operation, we need to do anything in the bracket first, right? And then to do times and divide, and the last one we will do plus or minus, right? Okay, we start with 10 minus 5 plus with, I need to put the bracket here because we need to do time before add, right? So it says 5, right? 10 minus 5 is 5 plus 44. So answer is 49 is B. So number 2, the following set of the data is given by 12, 14, 20, 18, 16, 14, 24, 16, and 14. Adding which pair of the number would make the mean higher? So according from the equations or how to find mean or average, sometimes they will call mean, sometimes they will call average, but the same meanings. So x bar equal to sigma xi over n. What is sigma xi mean? The sum of all data sets over the number of the data set. So now we have 9 number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 number, right? So which pair you add? You add pair, that means you add more 2 number, right? It will be 11, right? So it will be 11, right? So if you want more higher mean, you need to add bigger number, right? Because the number of like the data set is 11, right? However, you add A, B, C, or D, right? It's all 11 number, right? So if you want higher mean, you need to add like a bigger number. So the answer is D. Number 3, Abigail would like to purchase a new candle for 160. She has a coupon to Best Buy for 20 off. How much will the candle cost if she use a coupon? So the first one we need to find how much money, right? How many percent? How many 20% of 160? 20% is 20 over 100, right? Time with 160. So it will be 32, right? So the money that she need to buy with a new candle is 160 minus 32, right? Is 128. This one is the money that, like she said, right? This money, because it's 20% off. So this one is the money that you need to buy or you need to pay for a new candle, right? You need to subtract with the original number and the 32, right? Because this is 20% of 160. Number 4, on the last day camp, Crystal wants to treat her cabins to popsicle. She has 12 girls in her cabins. At the camp store, Crystal can buy a pack of 4 popsicle for 3.5. What will it cost her to buy the popsicle for her entrance cabin? So okay, so we need to, okay, so this one pack have 4 popsicle, right? One pack is 4 popsicle. So a cost of one pack is cost of one pack is 3.5, right? So the first thing, like we need to buy how many pack that you need to buy for, like that's cover for 12 girls. So it's 12 over 4 equal to 3. So which you need to buy 3 packs, right? So if one pack costs 3.5, so we need to, if we want to find the cost of 3 packs, we need to time 3.5 with 3. It will be 10.5. The answer is A. And number 5, solve the inequalities. So y minus 9 more than 18. So y more than 18 plus 9. So y more than 27. Number 6, Peter wants to have the Peter went to the hardware store with $10. He needs to purchase some light plates and their outlet cover. Okay, here are the price at this store. So the light plates covered is each is 0.75 and outlet plates cover is 1.25. So he has enough money to purchase with sets of the item below. So it is 7 light plate, right? 7 times 0.75, right? Plus with 4 times 1.25. So the answer is 7 times 0.75 plus with 4 times 1.25 is 10.25. But he has just only $10, right? So it's not, the money is not enough for A. So B is 6 times 0.75 plus 6 times 1.25. 6 times 0.75 plus 6 times 1.25 is 12 is not enough. So next 6 times 0.75 and plus with 4 times is 1.25 is 9.5 is enough, right? So the answer is C. Number 7. What is the slope of a line, of the line? So the formula to find slope is m equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is a formula to find the slope or gradients of the graph. So, but this one, they give you just only graph, right? You need to find the two coordinate pair from the graph. So I will use this one and I will use this one. So please find the coordinate pair that you can read. So for example, this one, you don't know what is this. So sometimes we cannot use like the estimate value. We need to find like the exactly value that we can read from the graph. So this one is 0 and 7, right? Because y-intercept is 7. And this one is when x equal to 2 and y equal to 11. So next step, I need to indicate which one is y1, y2, x1, x2. So this one will be y2. If this one will be y2, this one should be x2, y1, and x1. So we substitute in this formula, but don't worry, this formula it will be on your, it will be on like the formula booklet or formula sheet. 11 minus 7 over 2 minus 0. So 11 minus 7 is 4 over 2 is 2. So this one you can answer A or B. So number 8, the table below shows the number of bouncy ball possibility as the R8. Which of the bouncy ball have one colors and one designs? If red bouncy ball is chosen randomly, red bouncy ball chosen at random, what is the probability that it will have the star on it? So this one is probability questions, right? Okay. Look at the difference on red and star, right? So we need to find, they ask you to choose from the red ball, right? So how many red ball in total? So red ball is 12, right, in total, right? So how many star? Red and star is 3, right? So it will be 3 over 12 or 1 over 4. So the answer is A. And number 9. Below is chart showing the attendance record for math summer camp. This one. On which day is a number of this one? On which day is the number of the students' attendance is a prime number? So what is a prime number means? What does it mean? A prime number. A prime number, for example, of a prime number is 2, right? 3, 5, 7, 11. Right? This is a prime number. So the prime number is a number which has a factor, just only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So look, this one is a prime number. So the answer is C. And the number 10. Taylor is trying to fill an earth fire pit in his front yard with dirt. How much dirt will he needs to fill the entry bits route up to the nearest whole number. So what they ask you to find, look at the units of the answer. This is cube feet, right? So this is the unit cube. That means they ask you to find the volume. So okay, this is a geometry. So what is this shape? It's a cylinder, right? So the formula to find the volume of the shape is V equal to pi r square h. So look at it. This is height, right? And this is a 3. But 3 feet is a diameter, right? But r is a radian. So you need to divide the diameter by 2, right? Because r equal to d over 2. So it's 3 over 2 equal to 1.5. So it's pi times 1.5 square and times with 2.5. So pi, the approximate value of pi is 3.14, 1.5 square and time with 2.5. So the answer is around 17.67. So 17.67, so they ask you to round up to the nearest whole number. So it should be 18, right? So the answer is B. Okay, thank you for watching this video today.